Welcome to this demonstration of MCP Editor Features Part 2. This video is part of a series of videos which explain the functionalities available to developers for modernizing ClearPath applications using ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse. Let's select a file and click on the Link with Editor option, which takes us to the location of the file in the MCP Explorer view. To add mark ID, a string that can be added to indicate that a particular line has been modified, right-click on the file and select the Properties option. Properties for File Name dialog box opens up. Select MCP Properties Mark ID tab. Uncheck the Use Default Properties option. Click on Dynamic. Select the desired dynamic characters and click on OK. Now, when we edit the file, mark ID gets added. We can copy or change the selected mark ID. To do so, right-click on the mark ID area and select the corresponding actions. We can also set mark ID for workspace level. Click on Windows, Preference, MCP, Mark ID and click on Dynamic. Select the desired dynamic characters and click on OK. Let's insert a file into the editor which inserts the entire contents of the selected file into the current file. On the current file, place the cursor where the new file needs to be inserted. Right-click on the text area of the editor and select Insert File option. The Select File window option opens up. We can select either a local or an MCP file. Click on Open. Here we see the entire contents of the selected file inserted in the current symbol file. Now let's perform an auto sequence. Right-click on the sequence number area and click on the auto sequence selection. An auto sequence is now done. A block of code can also be resequenced. Select a block of code, right-click on the sequence number area, and then select Resequence Selection. The Resequence dialog box opens up. Give the initial and the incremental value and click on OK. As you can see, the sequence number gets resequenced. We can also copy a sequence number by selecting Copy Sequence from the sequence area. Now, let's save this file with a different name. To do so, the file must be open in the editor. Select File, MCP Save As. We can now save this as a symbol or as a patch. We will be saving it as a symbol file. The Select Project to open a file window opens up. Enter or select a project name and click on OK. The Select Work File and File Name window opens up. Here we enter or select a work file and then enter a valid file name and click on OK. The file gets saved under the selected project. For any information regarding the IDE, please have a look at the help document. For this, go to Help, Help Content, Unisys Composite Application User Guide. This ends the demo on MCP Editor Features Part 2. Thank you. Unisys offers a comprehensive set of ClearPath services to enrich the value of your ClearPath applications, data and systems. Please contact your Unisys representative for more information. Unisys and ClearPath are registered trademarks of the Unisys Corporation. All other marks referenced in this video are acknowledged to be trademarks or registered trademarks of their respective holders.